fuck. It's a rainy day out today. But it's not all bad. Looks like I got a Red Bull on this bitch. Thank God. No. Good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. I give it that. It's good stuff. It's rainy out today. Didn't expect it to be so damn rainy. I had to take an Uber for the first time in years. I just got back home. Jesus, I am not walking out in this fucking rain. Fuck that shit. No fucking way. Is what it is. Is what the fuck it is. I hate lottery, dude. Fucking only the idiots play the lottery. Gullible, dumb retards play the lottery. And if you play the lottery, you're a degenerate gambler. I hate gamblers. They're the really degenerates. Lowest. I have no sympathy for gamblers when they lose all of their fucking money on stupid shit. It's ridiculous. It's fucking hilarious when they do actually. They're like, oh my god, how did this happen? And the other people are just sitting there like, you made a whole bunch of dumbass bets, you fucking retard. Oh, it's crazy. Bunch of dumb fucks out there. I'm a dumb fuck too, but at least I admit it. Bitch.